Okay, so now let's work on les déterminants indéfinis. So there are only three, okay? Un, une, and des. Un, une, des. So all this means is a. If I'm saying, can you get me a chair? Can you get me a pencil? Can you get me a book? Can you get me a dog or an elastic, okay? So that's just to give you an idea. You are talking not about something particular, just in generally speaking. Any chair, just get me a chair, okay? Whereas previously we were talking about, can you get me the chair, that chair, okay? So, masculin singulier, we use un. If le nom is féminin singulier, we use une. And if it's pluriel, we use des. Okay? So, again, let's use the word arbre. A tree. Which déterminant will you use if you know that arbre is masculin singulier? Masculin singulier, we would say un arbre. Un arbre. Now, if I'm talking about multiple trees, you would say des arbres. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Super short, super simple. And now I will see how much of this do you really understand. It is now time for you to practice. Here I have les déterminants that we just went over. Le, la, une, l'apostrophe, un, des, et les. I want you to tell me le nombre and le genre. Sorry, le genre et le nombre. I do that because le genre, masculin pluriel, always comes first. So, I had the M and the F up top. M for masculin, F for féminin. So masculine, feminine. Okay? And then S and P, singulier, pluriel for le nombre. Okay? Remember, it's either one or the other, one or the other. I will give you some time to do that. And then you will see the answer key, I guess. So you will see the answers. Okay, here are the answers right here. So go ahead and check your answers. Okay, great job. In the next video, we will be combining les noms with les déterminants. We will put them together and you will have a better understanding about sentence structure by doing so.